Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to video 2. We are going to start off by making some nonsense words. So I would like you to try tapping these nonsense words with me, and we will practice reading them together. Okay, here we go. Ready? Am, nam. That's a silly word. Let's try another one. Ready? Am, tam. Tam, that's not a real word. All right, ready? Let's try Z-A-N. Remember to glue your A-N sound together. So ready? Z-An, Zan. Good job. Next one. So we have S-H-U-M. Okay, ready? So shum. Let's try another one. Ready? Thub. Almost sounds like thumb, but they took the M out. All right, ready? Zuff. Another one, ready? Pel. Okay, kind of like bell, but they changed it. All right, ready? Choff. Good job. All right, I'm going to introduce you to 2 trick words today. We have do and does. Let me find my trick word cards. Here we go. So we had from and have earlier this week. So we had from and have. Okay, right? We remember from and have. And then I'm only going to show this to you briefly because I know my words are going to be backwards. So we have do and does, and let's practice saying each word 3 times. So we'll say it normal first, and then we'll say it in a deep voice, and then let's practice skywriting it, okay? So we're going to say, let me get my little stars out. Or my smiley faces. We'll do smiley faces. So ready? Say do. Okay, let's practice skywriting it. Ready? So 2 fingers in the air. We're going to do D-O. Ready? D-O. Do. Good job. Okay, now let's practice reading does. We'll read it 3 times and then skywrite. Ready? Does. I'll say it. You say it. Does. Good job. Does. Oops. Does. Awesome job, boys and girls. Okay, here we go. So let's skywrite it. So we're going to do D-O-E-S. Ready? D-O-E-S. Does. Good job. Okay. So I want you to help me find, let me move myself down over here. I want you to help me find our new trick word in this sentence. It says, do you like candy? Will you read it with me? Ready? Do you like candy? I love candy. Raise your hand if you like candy, or give me a connection if we connect on that. I love candy. My favorite candy is either I love Skittles and I love Mike and Ike's. Those are some of my favorite candy. Okay, so can you find the new trick word? Point to it for me, please. Our new trick word is right here. Let's see. I'm going to circle it in rainbow. That looks fun. Do you like candy? Good job. Okay, let's try our next one. Can you read the sentence with me? Ready? Does Maria like candy? Let's read it one more time. Does Maria like candy? Good job. Okay, so I want you to look. Do you see our new trick word? Point to it if you can find it. It is the word does right there at the beginning. So do and does are often used in, they are used in questions, and they're also used in regular sentences too. Okay, so what I would like you to do next is I would like you to get out your octopus book. So go ahead and get out your octopus book. And I'm going to bring mine up on the screen so we can see what we're doing together, okay? All right, boys and girls, so if you open up your student notebook, I'm sorry I didn't tell you the page, you should be on page 77. So if you need to pause the video, Go ahead and pause it so that you can find the right page, and you'll be at the very top. We do not have any D words yet for trick words, so you'll be at the very back. Make sure it says trick words at the top of the page in the corner. I'll go ahead and give you a second to get there. If you need to pause your video, go ahead and pause your video, okay? All right, so we are going to write our 2 trick words, do and then does. So let's go ahead and do the word do. So we have lowercase d. Oops, I don't want to use that. Sorry, boys and girls. Okay, let's go back to our regular pen. Okay, there we go. So we have D, lowercase d goes plain, the belly goes plain to grass, and our line goes sky all the way to grass. And then lowercase o goes plain to grass, back up to plain. So the word do. And then we also have the word does. So does is D-O, just like in do, and then we're going to add an E and an S. So D-O-E-S. Great job. Okay, if you need to pause the video and finish entering that in, go ahead. Otherwise, you can go ahead to video number 3, and you will need your whiteboard, marker, and eraser.